In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create this effect of crystal in your videos with AI. So first of all, we need to go to NovoAds AI. The link of this platform is going to be in the comment section. And once you arrive here, you need to create an account. This is a platform where you can try these AI models for just $1. So now let's go to NovoAds AI. Here is where you will arrive when you create the account. So we have to click here in video. Now we have to click in settings, and in model, we're going to use the model Omniflash. Now we have to click here, and now we have to select our video. That in my case is this one.
I've been looking for the perfect dress for months.
So now let's click here, and now where it says describe your video, we're going to use this prompt. This is a prompt that is going to be in the comment section. So now we have to click here and click in generate. And now we have to wait more or less 4 to 5 minutes. Perfect, here we have the result, so now let's see it.
I've been looking for the perfect dress for months. This one has it all. The fit, the flow, the lightweight fabric. It's the best I've ever had. Link in my profile.
Well, I don't know what you think, but personally I like it a lot, the video. The quality is really good, and in general, the video has a really good quality. So if you want to do a video like this one, or like the ones you can see here, now you know how to do it. And remember that you can try NovoAds AI for just $1. So well, after saying that, see you in the next video.